Arigato. I don't even know what arigato means, man. There you go. We only have winter gloves, even though, I mean, is it spring? I think it's spring now, maybe. I don't really know. I think it might be spring. In which case, happy spring, if it is spring. Oh, I haven't been on the bike in a week. Oh, it's lovely! Oh, yes, sir! And you know what? I haven't recorded a motovlog in fucking... Oh my god, the bike's too good. Oh, wow. No, I haven't recorded a motovlog in actually ages. It's been so long since I've recorded one. Probably a month or something, I reckon. I've been busy. I have updates to let you know. I've been quite busy though. Oh, but it's just pure happiness. And it's pure joy riding this thing. It's still wet around here, unfortunately. I'm hoping on the main roads it's not going to be wet. But it's still a bit wet. Still have to be careful on here. But this bike is so good. Look, if you're thinking about buying a Triumph at 660, you gotta buy it! Oh yes, madam. It's literally so good. Now I've ridden a few bikes properly. I've owned only 3, and this is in another league. It's just another class. Now, granted, the next best one I rode is a 125, so it can't really be compared. But at the same time, I can do whatever the fuck I want, but I can compare it if I want to. And not only is this the first time riding put down my visor, for quite a while, it is also the first time riding since it's been bearable in the environment. Like, usually it's like, oh, there's a person. Gotta slow down for the person. Thank you. Alrighty, so yeah, it's the first time it's been like a reasonable temperature. I think it's about 11 degrees. It's sunny. Oh my god, praise Jesus for this. Alright, let's get the wheel up, front wheel up. A little mini pop up. Baby. Oh, it's birds. I don't want to kill him. Bro! Oh my god, I don't know if you've seen that bird, but I was catching up on him, man. I got DRS to that bird. I have to be a little bit chill because my front tire is almost gone. I don't know if you can see that down there, but the front tire it's still going to be there, but it's almost like lost that screw up. Better not pull out. I'll kill it. I would have killed it. Yeah, the front tire is not doing the best it could be, and I do have a new one. I have a new front tire, but I just need to get it put on. So what I have tried to do is a little reaction video, actually. A little reaction video where I was reacting. I don't know if any of you guys have heard Epic the Musical. If you haven't, check it out. Even if you don't like musicals, you might like it because it's sick. It's about ancient Greece, I think. So it's really cool. It's really good, and I recorded a reaction video to it for like 3 hours long. And it turns out I had my microphone on mute the whole time. Are you fucking me right now? Oh, it's a bike. Yo! Yes, sir! Yo, look, I don't know if there's any on the lens, but there's water droplets on my fucking helmet. Let me just try and clean off the lens if there is anything. There's water. Oh, we gotta try and get this guy up ahead. We gotta get him. Come on, go on. He's in a Mercedes A-Class, I think. Let's get him. Run away, baby. We got him. Watch Epic the Musical. Okay. Watch it because it's good. It's so good. I haven't even finished it. I'm in Act 2. I think I'm in the Thunder Saga. I was planning to do it all in one sitting, but it got 3 hours in and I was like, oh shit, I need to go to sleep. So I went to sleep. Please don't pull out. Oh no, please. Please, I want to go. Yes. Alright, I'm a bit nervous about my tire, so I'm not going to cook through here too hard. I'm actually so scared. I'm actually so scared of my tire. I don't know how close it is to being completely gone. So I don't want to, like, it's a nice day, so that gives me confidence, but I don't want to go absolutely crazy with it, Anyway, we got a really slow driver up ahead, so we're going to slow down. Oh, boys. It's been a while since I've been on a motovlog, man. It's been a while since I made a motor vlog, and I gotta let you guys know about a couple things. So, you might know that I work in a call center. You might not. Considering the views I get, you probably don't. But I work in a call center, right? Or I used to work at a call center. Boys, I have upgraded. I've upgraded, so I'm not at a call center anymore. I am now working fully remote. Oh, that's why I haven't been on my bike for about a week, because I'm working fully remote, and I work from home, and I work for, I'm a YouTube coach. I teach people how to make YouTube videos, and you might be thinking, but you don't even have, one, you don't have 1,000 subscribers. Two, you barely get any views on your videos. How the fuck are you coaching people to be YouTube? It's not that kind of YouTube. It's a specific type of YouTube video. Oh shit! Don't look at her. Don't look at her. She's not real. Oh shit! On the left. Don't look at her. Oh shit! Don't look at her. Don't look at her. She's gone now. You can't look at her. Oh my lord! What's up with everybody? See, I swear people start to look a little bit better when the sun's out. I'm just saying. But I gotta get back onto track. Okay, what the fuck? Why is everyone just out and about right now? Get a life, guys. Come on. I know it's a double fucking line. All right. If you comment that I just went over a double line, I think I'll shoot you, and then I'll probably shoot myself right after. I want to get into the gap. Oh, what a lovely gap people are leaving for me. Oh, praise God. Ooh, Peugeot. I like the new Peugeots. I like the way they look. They look cool. They look cool. But I'm a YouTube coach now, which is cool. And I get paid more money. I get to learn so many more useful skills, and guess what? I get to work from home, bitch. I get to work from home. Praise God, baby. So when I do motor vlogs, hopefully they'll be more exciting, because a lot of time I'm either going to work, I'm going home, I'm going to my dad's house, or maybe I'm going into town. My rides are not very exciting, and there's not much exploration happening in the rides, you know what I'm saying? And so I want to try and get some exploration going for these rides. This one is just going home. Now when I say I like this bike, I don't just mean I like it. I mean I want to be more than friends with this bike. I don't care if this friend's a man. I mean I don't care if this bike's a man. I'll make exceptions for it. Oh, I think that sounds good. I don't know if you can hear it. One life, love it. Hey, there's no proof that there is only one life, there may be more lives. I'm just saying. Reincarnation could be real, heaven and hell could be real. We just simply don't know until we die, boy. Some people say they see angels when they die. How are we gonna disprove that? Nah, bruh. You didn't see that. How do we know, man? Are we dying? No, they are the ones who are dying. Angels could be real. Oh, bike. Sir, oh, he's a GS boy. Oh, there's bikes over here. What's up, guys? Woo! Motorbikes! Oh, I love seeing them out in the wild. So yeah, man, I've got a new job and I'm so excited about it. Well, I say I'm excited. I'm doing it right now. And it's good. What's up? How's it going, guys? Ooh, there's all these people here. Oh, I love it so. All right, we're gonna turn in, and we're gonna turn out. But yeah, leave a comment. How's it going in your life? Give me, like, if you made it this far in the video, by the way, thank you very much, because you're a cool guy. You should like and subscribe, by the way. Like and subscribe. But if you made it this far, let me know what's like one good thing that's happening in your life right now. Just one really kind of nice thing that's happening. You think, oh, nice, that's cool. Cool. There's a little police car there, hiding behind the fucking. Oh, that's one thing to look out for. Is that guy, that police car, hiding behind there? I'm gonna make sure I don't speed down there anymore. Now I know that police cars hide there. There's little fuckers. They're trying to catch people out. They're literally trying to catch people out. It's not even about being there so people reduce their speed. They're literally trying to catch people speeding. They're trying to get money from us. Instead of, the goal is not safety, the goal is money. They're just trying to get money. If the goal was safety, they would not be hiding. You know what I'm saying? They would not be hiding. But to be fair, if they're hiding, on the flip side, if they're hiding, then I'm not going to be speeding down there anymore because I'm going to be thinking, oh, there might be a police car. Or I'm going to be trying to look and see underneath the little sign if there's any tires and stuff. Honestly, my favorite type of bike is naked bikes. I love naked bikes so much. Some wind protection would be nice, but I'm going to get that fairing, so it's going to kind of turn it into, I want to try and turn this into like a cafe racer type of vibe. I'll put a little screenshot of the fairing I'm going to put on there. If you get tried it, I think it's really cool. One thing I hate is getting a naked bike and then buying a windscreen for it. It's like, brother, just don't. Just don't. It makes it look worse. I don't like it at all. I think it's overall quite bad. So I do not approve of getting a naked bike and then buying a windscreen for it. But if it's an actual whole front fairing that changes the look or improves the look, then that's fine. That's fine. It's just if it's just a regular boy, I don't like that at all, because I just think if you're getting a naked bike, the wind protection is going to be bad. That's the vibes, man. It's naked, and so you should be as well. So unless you're completely converting it, don't do it, bro. I love these corners because they're so nice. They're so nice and flowing, and you can get real deep down. But again, I'm scared because of the tires. My tires are gone. My tires are gone. So we'll see how fast I feel like I want to go through here. But I love these corners. I feel like my pegs are close. I don't even know. Like I'm doing that, but I feel like my pegs are so close. I need to lean off the bike more. Anyway, a little bit of boogie. Oh baby, a little bit of boogie. That was actually an original song. I don't know if that's a real song or not. It sounds like it might. Oh baby, a little bit of boogie. So, it's a police car. Hold on, it's a 40 along here. Oh my god, it's an Audi. Oh my god, I'm not even escaping that one. Jeez Louise. Praise God, baby. Anyway, I'm gonna be a good boy because that Audi's behind us. The Audi. I don't want to fuck with that guy because honestly, his car's probably faster than mine. I wonder if it's an RS7. It kind of looked, I don't know what an RS7 looks like, but it kind of gave me RS7 vibes. So if it's an RS7, whoo, not even any point trying to outrun that thing, brother. I'm fucked. Like my bike's pretty fast and stuff, but like it's not that fast. I could probably beat the Ford Focus maybe, but it's not that fast. Oh my god, this lady's right next to me. Oh, don't look. I'm looking. Alright, I gotta try and look cool. I gotta try and act cool. I gotta try and act real cool. Oh, they've got someone next to them. Oh, I wonder who's in the seat next to them. 2 for 1. Ooh. Oh my lord. Brother, what's that guy doing? Oh! Lovely. Anyway, it's right over there, so there's no point. There's no point zoinking it. There's no point zoinking it. But that guy in the Audi, I felt like that guy in the Audi was going to try and come into that lane. Oh, it's a police car. No, it's coming for me! Toyota, and he's never going to catch whoever he's looking for. Oh, these corners are lovely as well. Oh my gosh. My tire looks okay, right? It's still got rubber on it. Look, it may not be, it's still got rubber on it. It's not just going to slip away from me, right? Oh, okay. No, we don't have to go on the inside. I don't know. I feel like I'm so close to scraping pegs. I feel like I'm so... Oh, this guy... Oh, thank you, sir. No, it feels like I'm so close to scraping pegs, like I'm actually just scared. I'm actually scared because I don't know how close I am. When I'm turning, I don't know how close I am. And I don't want to scrape them. But maybe I should. Maybe I should just let it loose. Maybe I should just let it scrape. Sorry, that wasn't very good. It's a bit better. Make cheddar great again. Oh my god, that's funny, brother. Better off on my own. There's a car coming. Called it! Oh, Oh. And a little stoppy, and a little stoppy, and a little stoppy, and a stoppy, and a stoppy. I kinda like this guy's truck. I like the color. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I got a new neighbor, by the way. I don't know her name, but all I can say is that it's a her. And that should tell you all you need to know. I'm not gonna lie. I couldn't lie. Anyway, we're turning here. Anyway, kisses and love. Oh my god, thank you for stopping by. Like and subscribe, all that shit. Bye.